Every year over 20 million people around the world apply to be included in the United States visa lottery program. I find this unbelievable because just like any lottery, the chance of winning is very slim. But they go ahead anyway to take that chance. Hello there, my name is Ness from Dorig.com, and in this article, I'm going to discuss 10 facts about immigration to the United States of America. This list of facts would be helpful and nice to know items of information for prospective immigrants to the U.S. Millions of people around the world apply for immigrant visas for the U.S. You can Google or check immigration to the United States and the result may astound you. It ranks first or second to other countries. So I wrote this article to help those of you who want to immigrate to the U.S. Before I start, I'd like to share with you the definition of immigration according to the U.S. Immigration Glossary. It states that immigration is the act of leaving one's countries and moving to another country of which they are not natives, nor citizens, to settle or reside there, especially as permanent residents or naturalized citizens, or to take up employment as a migrant worker or temporarily as a foreign worker. Now, here are the 10 facts about immigration to the United States. Number 1. According to the Pew Research Center, the majority of the world's immigrants reside in the United States. This group of people is diverse, coming from all countries of the world. There are 44.4 million of them and account for 13.6% of the total U.S. population in 2017. Number 2. As of the year 2017, 77% of the entire immigrant population of the United States came legally. They were issued green cards and are classified as legal permanent residents. 23% were unauthorized residents or, you got it, illegal immigrants. 45% of this population was naturalized U.S. citizen, 27% are legal permanent residents, and 5% are temporary residents. Number 3. Majority of the immigrant population in the United States came from Mexico. This was the direct result of the Bracero program, which was created in 1944 to fill the labor shortages during World War II. The Mexican labor force was imported into the U.S. with the intention of returning them when they were no longer needed. However, even after the program ended in 1964, many of the former workers illegally re-entered the United States to continue working for their previous employers. Number 4. An estimated 40 to 50% of illegal immigrants living in the United States came in legally through various ports of entry across the country. These were athletes, clergies, employees, journalists, students, or tourists that applied for legal entry by securing non-immigrant visas. However, these immigrants did not return home when their visas expired, and, as a result, they became unauthorized residents of the U.S. Number 5. Family-oriented visas or chain migration represents the vast majority of illegal immigrant in the U.S. These visas are for an immediate relative or family-sponsored, employer-sponsored employment, religious workers, returning residents and many more. Number 6. The United States immigration process allows priority to foreign nationals who have a. close family relationship with a U.S. citizen or legal permanent residents, b. have needed work skills, c. have refugee or asylum status, or d. are natives of countries with low immigration rates to the U.S. Number 7. Another interesting fact is the establishment of the Diversity Immigrant Visa Program, also known as the Green Card Lottery. As a result, 50,000 immigrant visas to applicants from countries with very low immigrants during the last 5 years was created. And finally, this visa program became very popular so that 20 million people apply each year. Number 8. For stricter entry into the country, U.S. immigration made a list of banned individuals from entering the United States because of unacceptable behavior. Here are a few examples from the list: Hamid Aboutalebi, an Iranian diplomat and ambassador; Nelson Mandela, now deceased; Boy George, British artist and singer; Diego Maradona, Argentina soccer player and coach, and many more. Number 9. Immigrants who violate their terms of stay can be deported from the United States. A tourist who accepts a job, or a student who stopped going to school, can be deported. Several other grounds for deportation of an immigrant include aggravated felony, marriage fraud, document fraud, falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen, convicted of any drug violation, and others as listed in the Immigration and Nationality Act. Number 10. There are an estimated 904,000 immigrants in the United States that identify as LGBT. However, more than 250,000 of them are unauthorized adult immigrants and is estimated to be 267,000 in 2013. Are you interested in coming to the U.S.? This list of 10 facts about immigration to the United States would be a piece of great information for you to know. Good luck. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. Thank you.